Hello guys, so today we are gonna make some cool soldering stand using the old items that you can find in your home. So here we have got an old brush of mine. Okay, so we'll be using this. Next is a tongue cleaner. This is actually a rusted one, so I'll be using this one too. After that we'll be using some clips. I'll be using two different clips. One is the clip which we use for drying the clothes, and the other one is just a normal crocodile clip. We'll use some sand. Okay, let's cut the bristles using one knife. That is done. Let's paste it up. Let's put a small hole on the cap so that the brush comes out. Okay, now it's sand time. Yes, so that is also completed, and now the brush stands still. Let's close the top lid. It fits perfectly. Let's add some more glue there. Okay, so now I'll be using the tongue cleaner and I'll be pasting these clips onto the tongue cleaner. I've used this metal tongue cleaner. You can use a metal wire, anything will be fine. I'm using this metal tongue cleaner because they are bendable and I can make it into different position or whatever positions I want. So this is perfectly glued. Now let's glue the crocodile clip. I don't know what the actual name is. Actually I made a mistake. Let's reverse the way it is placed, and our next job is to glue this thing to the head of the brush or our stand that we have made. Glue time. Applying this amount of glue won't be enough. Actually you should add a bit more reinforcement. For example, you can put some other parts below so that everything will be solid. It will not move. Everything will be just like a solid structure. Okay, let's add more and more and more of this glue, and at the last I'll be adding one reinforcement, one piece of metal at the bottom. So this is the final product. I can place PCB boards here. I can place anything like switches over there, and that's it. Your DIY soldering stand, or whatever stand you can say, is completed, which is upcycled. Yes.